played a significant role in the creation of OpenAI.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
It will destroy humanity as a matter of course, without even thinking about it. No hard feelings.
Elon is obviously attacking us on Twitter right now, despite him being a jerk on Twitter or whatever. I'm happy he exists in the world.
Imagine if the advancements in artificial intelligence in the next 20 years happened as quickly as tomorrow. Well, stop imagining, because the future of artificial intelligence predicted for the coming decades is happening now. According to Microsoft scientists, Chatgpt-4, the latest version of OpenAI's chatbot, shows signs of human intelligence and could be the tool that comes closest to AGI, artificial general intelligence. The capabilities of virtual assistants like ChatGPT are so vast that financial analysts believe they could replace about 300 million jobs worldwide. And this growing power of AI has caught the attention of major tech leaders and researchers. Everybody knows that over 1,800 professionals, including Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak, the co-founders of Tesla and Apple, signed a petition calling for a 6-month pause on AI experiments due to, quote, deep risks to society and humanity, unquote. But why is this AI so powerful, and how will it affect your life in the coming years? Let's talk about it. The impressive advancements of Chatgpt-4 suggest that OpenAI and Microsoft have shed their earlier cautious approach to AI. The new version of the chatbot goes beyond its predecessor, ChatGPT 3.5. In addition to text, Chatgpt-4 can recognize image content. It can extract useful information from an image and text and combine them into a single set of information to provide more accurate answers. Chatgpt-4 now accepts third-party plugin extensions, meaning you can add it as an additional feature for your app users.
I think people really have fun with it, and they see the possibility, and they see the ways this can help them, this can inspire them, this can help people create, help people learn, help people do all of these different tasks.
And what most impresses the scientific community is its near-human capability for solving problems. In March 2023, Microsoft researchers concluded that Chatgpt-4 can provide solutions to newer and more challenging tasks in areas such as math, coding, law, medicine, psychology, and many more. With every day that passes, users from around the world confirm what the researchers have said. Within weeks of its release, Chatgpt-4 managed to pass the final exam of the MBA program at the University of Pennsylvania. It also gave recipe recommendations to the New York Times using just a photo of ingredients in the fridge. Users report that Chatgpt-4 has been creating video games, websites, and apps in record time with minimal input. One user created an iPhone app that suggests 5 different movies every day for users. Detailed questions and a few corrections were needed, but Chatgpt-4 delivered exactly what they wanted. And this is just the beginning. Chatgpt-4 outperforms other ChatGPT versions as well as virtual assistants, positioning OpenAI and Microsoft 20 years ahead in the game. Tech giants like Google, Nvidia, and Baidu have raced to integrate their services with virtual assistants. Stanford University even developed their own chatbot using virtual assistants as sources. The technology race is heating up, but it was ChatGPT and Microsoft that broke an unspoken code of ethics with regard to AI. The two companies didn't hesitate to put advanced AI, potentially hazardous, in the hands of the global population. And this further fueled the war for AI dominance. Microsoft's decision to fire their AI ethics team brought uncertainty about whether AI could spiral out of control.
I think we'll find out that we can make GPT systems way less biased than any human, because there won't be that emotional load there.
Elon Musk, once part of OpenAI's leadership, now criticizes Sam Altman's company for straying from its original purpose. But beyond CEO spats, how will large language models like Chatgpt-4 impact your life moving forward? Pennsylvania University researchers believe that Chatgpt-4-style virtual assistants could affect 80% of US jobs. The study also states that, with additional software and tools, assistants like ChatGPT could perform over 50% of tasks done by humans. Most affected sectors include finance, insurance, data processing, editorial publishing, and monetary authorities like ministries of finance and central banks. Curiously, manual labor jobs, once thought to be first replaced by machines, would be last ones on the list. According to the article, agriculture, construction, and mining will require humans longer compared to more creative or intellectual fields. The future of AI now merges with the present, prompting reflections in all fields of knowledge. In a New York Times article earlier this year, 3 top philosophers and historians analyzed the future and issue a warning to society. Quote, "The first step is to buy time to update our 19th century institutions for a post-AI world and learn to master artificial intelligence before it masters us." Is your job safe? Click on this video here to see OpenAI's full report. And if you liked this content, comment below, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.